Mike's Locks, Dodge Ram 1500 diesel 2019-18. We made a customer a fob with a remote start. The car can start from far away. See? Started. Now let's go in. We had to do it with a star connection, with all the system. We even cut the key inside for the customer. So if you have a Dodge Ram in Hesperia, Apple Valley, Victorville, and you need a key, just call us today. We can help you out. See, truck runs, no problem. Still, if you need a fob for your truck, please call us today to Mike's Locks at 760-766-0117. Thank you and have a nice day.